Hi mathematicians, today we're going to talk about comparing fractions. Let's first look at these two fractions, 2/5 and 4/5. I need to ask myself, how are my fractions alike? How are my fractions different? Well, I notice that my numerator, or the number of pieces in each whole, are different, but my denominator, the number of pieces in the whole, are the same. I'm wondering how I can use this to compare fractions. Well, let's look at a model. Here, I have 2 fifth-size pieces and 4 fifth-size pieces. I'm noticing my pieces are the same size. And when their pieces are the same size, fifths, all I need to do is compare the number of pieces. I can see that 2 pieces is less than 4 pieces, so 2/5 must be less than 4/5. Okay, 2 more fractions, 7/8 and 2/8. What do you notice? I notice they each have the same denominator. And remember, when the denominator is the same, that means that each whole has the same number of pieces, the same size piece. Let's look at the model. 7/8 and 2/8. I see my pieces are the same size because my denominators are the same. And when my denominators are the same, all I need to do is compare the number of pieces in each fraction. I can tell that 7 pieces is more than 2 pieces. So 7/8 is greater than 2/8. Let's try some quick practice. Which is greater, 7/9 or 1/9? I notice my denominators are the same, so I'm comparing my numerators. 7/9 is greater than 1/9. Let's try another. 4/9 and 6/9. Compare. Did you say that 4/9 is less than 6/9? Then you are correct. Here are 2 more fractions. How are my fractions alike? How are my fractions different? Well, I'm noticing now that my numerator, the number of pieces, is the same, but my denominators, the number of pieces in each whole, they are different. They each have the same numerator. Let's see how I can use this to compare. Here are my models. Each whole is the same size. This whole is cut into 3 equal pieces. And this whole is cut into 4 equal pieces. What do we remember about the size of the pieces? The smaller the numerator, the bigger the size of the piece. Because this one's broken into thirds, there's fewer pieces. So my pieces are going to be bigger. The smaller the numerator, the bigger the size of the piece. So here I have 1/3 size piece and 1/4 size piece. Which is greater? 1/3 is greater than 1/4 because thirds are larger than fourths. Let's try another one. How are my fractions alike? How are my fractions different? Again, they have the same numerator, so I'm going to compare the size of the piece. I have 6 and I have 8. 2 6-size pieces is more than 2 8-size pieces because each of these pieces are larger. 6 is the smaller denominator, which means it has the larger pieces. 2/6 is greater than 2/8. So we talked about using the numerator to compare and the denominator to compare. So let's try some more on our own. 4/6 and 4/3. Did you guess that 4/6 is less than 4/3? The smaller the denominator, the greater the piece. Let's try this one, 4/6 and 1/6. Did you guess that 4 6-size pieces is greater than 1 6-size pieces? Great job. 3/8 and 9/8. Take a minute to compare. I'm noticing that my denominators are the same. That's right, 3/8 is less than 9/8 because 3 8-size pieces is less than having 9 8-size pieces. And let's look at that last one, 3/4 and 3/5. 3/4 is definitely greater than 3/5 because 4th-size pieces are larger than 5th-size pieces. Great job, 3rd graders. You finished. Today you learned that when comparing fractions, you can look at the numerator to compare the number of pieces or the denominator to compare the size of the piece. I can't wait to see how you practice. Don't forget to show your teacher.